Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us solve another interesting problem. So, given a positive integer n, print the number of multiples of 2 to 5 in between 1 to n. So, what is our task is, we just, they give us an input, but we need to provide the output, that is number of multiples that is less than 12 in between 1 to 12 included, 12 is also included. How many multiples of 2 comma 3 present between 1 to 12? So for that, to know that, let us generate numbers between 1 to 12. So numbers between 1 to 12 are, to know the multiples between 1 to 12 which are divisible by 2 and 3, let us first generate the numbers between 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the numbers present. So in these numbers, what are the numbers which are divisible by 2 and 3? 1 is not divisible by either 2 or 3. So let us erase it. Now 2 is divisible by 2, so I need to kept it. 3 is divisible by 3, so I need to kept it. And 4 is divisible by 2, so I need to kept it. So 5 is not divisible by 2 or 3, so I need to remove it. 6 is divisible by 2 and 3 as well, so I need to keep it. 7 is not divisible by anything, so I need to remove it. 8 is divisible by 2, so I need to put it. 9 is divisible by 3, so I need to put it. 10 is divisible by 2, so I need to put it. Coming to 11, it is not divisible by anything, so I need to remove it. So how many number of elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So totally, I need to get the output as 8. So this is the question they asked. So what they provided is, they'll provide you an input, that is number. So let us read it dynamically from the user by using input function. To convert it into integer, just use the type converter int to convert it into integer. Now, to get the numbers from 1 to the given number, we need to use a for loop. Why do we need to use this for loop, sir? We are just picking one by one element in the range of 1 to 12. So for that, the suitable syntax for it using for loop is, for each subnumber in range of 1 till whatever the given number plus 1 will provide me the number more than that number, that is until that number. So let us print and check all my sub numbers are printing or not, all the sub numbers are getting or not. So let me provide an input as 12 only. So you can see, do I get 1 to 12 all the numbers? Yeah, I'm getting all the numbers. Now what is our task is to check and store how many numbers which are divisible by either 3 or 2, or else both. It's that's count we need to find it. So let me take a count variable and store the value as 0, and let me check. To check that, I need to write a if condition, that is, if whatever the sub number that I got is dividing with 2 whenever I'm getting remainder as 0. That means if a number divisible by 2, then when I divide that number by 2, then we got remainder as 0. If any number divided by 2, then the remainder must be 0. So this mod operation will provide me the remainder. If this is true, or if subnumber is divisible by 3, then its remainder also becomes 0, right? Yeah. So anything, either it is divisible by 2 or else the number, subnumber which I got is divisible by 3, then I need to count that that number is either divisible by 2 or 3. So what is the final task? I just need to provide that count. That's it. How many numbers in between 1 to the given number which are divisible by 2 or 3. So let us provide 12. You can see we are getting 8. So is it? Yeah. So even we can check and print what are the elements which are dividing by 2 or 3 in between 1 to 12 by using print statement inside it. So how to get the sub element, sub number, you can print like this. So if you want adjacent to be printed one by one element, then you can use end is equals to like this. And after finishing this, you must need to provide an end is equals to new line, because if you would not provide the end is equals to new line, then count must be printed adjacent to the sub numbers which are divided by 2 or 3 in between 1 to the given number. So let us run it again and check whether it is working and printing all the divisible numbers in between 1 to the given number. Let me provide 18 now. It is providing me the all the divisible numbers which are dividing by either 2 or else 3, and it also return me the total number of numbers which are divisible by 2 or 3 in between 1 to the given number count. So in this way we can able to find the number of numbers which are divisible by 2 or 3 in between 1 to the given number. I hope this video is understandable to you. So thanks for watching. Please try to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and please try to solve it by your own, and then whenever you're stuck, please watch the video. Hope this video is understandable to you. So thanks for watching. Please practice so that you can able to solve in real time. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates.